Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can find your Windows product key, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So I will share with you two different methods on how you can find your Windows product key. So let's go quick into the process. So first is in the registry editor. So in the Windows search bar, type here regedit. Registry editor will appear under the best match. Click on that. Now here you have to look for HK local machine. So just follow me for the path. We are going to navigate this path. HK local machine, double click. Under HK local machine, double click the software. Under software, look for Microsoft. Scroll down. Microsoft, double click. Under Microsoft, look for the Windows NT. So scroll down to W as these are arranged in alphabetical order. Then here the Windows NT, double click. Then under Windows NT, double click on the current version. Then under current version, look for the software protection platform. So let's scroll down. This one, software protection platform, double click. Now here in the software protection platform, on the right pane, you'll find this backup product key default. So right next to it is your Windows product key, backup product key default, and right next to it is your Windows product key. So this is for the first method. Now simply close the registry editor. Then search for CMD in the Windows search bar. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here, type this command. Just follow me. WMIC space path space software licensing service space get space OA 3X original product key. It's WMIC space path space software licensing service space get space OA3X original product key and hit enter. Then here you'll find your original product key for your Windows. So with these two methods, this is the best way on how you can find the Windows product key of the Windows that you are using. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.